Today we're making a lasagna dish. I hope you enjoy the video. Here we're going to be boiling the lasagna noodles. They need to boil about 10 minutes. I do put a little bit of oil in the water and some salt as well. And then you can use any kind of lasagna noodles that you want. But I've chosen the lasagna noodles for great value. And I just use them because they're cheaper, and to me they taste just as good. The first layer I have is some Ragu sauce to go on the bottom, and I will be layering the lasagna, probably coating the lasagna probably about 2 times with Ragu sauce. And you can use any kind of tomato sauce that you want, but this is the kind that I'm using today. I'm going to be grounding up some of this premium sausage. You can use ground chuck or ground beef, but I'm just using this. Tastes just fine, but it was actually cheaper to buy this in the store than the ground beef or ground chuck. So I'm just trying to watch every penny that I can, especially since we have inflation right now. We're cooking the sausage here, as you can see. We're draining the grease from the sausage. I drained the lasagna noodles and also rinsed them with cold water so they won't be as starchy, and to actually cool them off so I can put them in the lasagna dish. Now we start to layer the lasagna. Parmesan cheese and sausage layer. Cottage cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese you want, like ricotta. And this is the kind I'm using. Repeating one more layer. Now we're going to put some mozzarella cheese on the top. The lasagna is now done.